I've got an honest review of this Spicy World citric acid. I actually bought this to help to sprinkle in the washing or in the dishwasher to help to clean just through every cycle. And I feel like this has really been beneficial. There are particular products that are more expensive that are labeled to help with your dishwashing loads. But then I found out that the main ingredients was citric acid. So I thought, why don't I just buy it in a larger bag and it's cheaper? So it's helpful for descaling, hard water. We have hard water. So it helps with descaling appliances, cleaning tea kettles, maintaining your dishwasher, like we had just talked about. It's naturally food safe. So you can actually use it for drying, freezing, canning different foods. It's 100% pure and a high quality, really fine granular citric acid. Cooking and baking, you can use it in different recipes if it calls for that. DIY beauty, different skincare. And again, it's a pretty large bag. It is 1 pound. And I have found this to be really helpful and less expensive, more price effective than some of the other ones that are actually labeled for your dishwasher. So if you need to descale, this is definitely something to look into, and we'll see you next time.